I would say we purchased the RX-400 because of I guess the time right now with really being conscious with just cleanliness. So we got the RxAir to peace of mind and to have an extra barrier up with cleaning, in-house cleaning and keeping up with everything.
Especially with him in school full-time, it's given me like just a sense of security to know that he's getting the most germs while we're at home. So he's bringing them home to us, and now he can walk in and it's clean air.
I think the first thing that I realized when I walk into the room, or like our family room that we have it in, it's the odor. I'm someone that's unfortunately particular about odors, so I definitely notice it's a clean smell. It's hard to identify exactly what it is really, but it just smells clean. So we got the RX-400 to prevent an illness in our home for prevention. We have a basement in the lower level, and we kind of go back and forth upstairs to downstairs a lot. So like a lot of people I'm sure experience that have basements, it's just got a musty type smell that creeps up to the main floor. And with that main unit in the living room, it wipes it out. So that's a definitely major thing for us as well.
And that led us to getting a second one because of our bonus room. It doesn't have the airflow that the whole house does. And so you would notice that type of smell of just from above the garage and stuff. So that has completely eliminated that area. We were really looking out for our children. We really wanted clean air and a clean environment for them.
I've worked in remediation, mold remediation previously, so we had a lot of exposure with different units, usually larger units that were more designed for a commercial sense, but had some exposure there. And then when we were looking at when we moved into our new home, what we were going to put into it, I did look at other things as well, other options. I would say the UV light, and that you'll see others on the market that have HEPA filtration, but with the RX-400, it really seems to, the technology behind it really seems to work well with the UV light. And with everything going on right now, you continuously hear UV light being talked about. So for RxAir 400, it was definitely the UV light that really caught my eye. But with the RX-400, it doesn't have a filter on it, so I'm not very good with filters at all in the house, in our AC unit. So having something else in the house without a filter, we definitely love.
I really like it because it's maintenance free. I'm somebody who has to take care of the whole household with the kids, and I can just plug it in, turn it on, and I don't have to worry.
I believe we do breathe better in the house, especially as I was talking about earlier with the basement odor. We 100% breathe better with the RX-400 in the house. It is affordable, and I recommend it to everyone.
The RX-400 is very affordable, and it gives me a lot of security in our home, knowing that we have clean air, and it allows me to continue my routine knowing that I'm doing the best that I can for our family.
Something that we've noticed with the kids is that we really haven't been sick in the time period that we've had the RX-400.
We were going through a time where our daughter was getting sick a lot. She was getting colds, ear infections, sinuses, and we were just really looking into something that would maybe help eliminate that. And that's when we found the RX-400, and it really worked for us.
He has definitely done well with it as well. I mean, like you brought up the school earlier, with him bringing the germs back from school. That's something that we did.
I find she's not getting sick as much with him bringing home the germs from school. So I know it's working for that reason alone.
I give the RX-400 5 stars.